What's better than a renovated home in an established neighborhood? A brand new home in an established neighborhood. Welcome to 11 Warbler Circle. This entire home was reconstructed from the foundation up in 2022. You have the added benefit of being in a mature neighborhood, so you've got big beautiful trees in your backyard, as well as an in-ground pool, which will have a brand new liner and all new equipment for you to enjoy this summer. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home has a unique floor plan, with the primary bedroom being located on this main floor. I love that you have walkout doors to your backyard so you can step outside in the morning to enjoy a coffee. Now, the upper level just behind me features 2 bedrooms that share a full bathroom, and the basement is fully finished with a 4th bedroom and full bathroom. In addition to having a main floor office and dedicated dining room, my favorite feature of this home is this 2-story great room that I'm in right now. I can see the backyard, I've got direct sight lines to the kitchen. It really is a stunning home, and you have to see it in person.